how to say sorry after a fight. You know,
Depende kung gaano kalalim yung pinagawayan nyo, syempre.
but it's all about putting away your pride and wanting what's best for the both of you. Diba?
I agree. I think it depends talaga sa depth ng pinagawayan nyo. Syempre, all the more, mas, kung, syempre kung mas may gravity yung ginawa nila sa'yo, or mas may gravity yung ginawa mo sa kanila. Syempre, you really have to swallow your pride, I agree. But kung kutampuhan lang, syempre, like, sorry.
Paano?
Sorry.
Okay yung konting breather muna.
Yeah.
That's healthy naman to have some space, like maybe an hour or something to get yourself in the right headspace. And then when you're in the right mind to talk, good.
Surprise!
Okay, ako, how to surprise? I think the most important thing is making sure na nandun yung mga
Mahal
niya sa buhay. Tsaka
True.
nandun yung mga taong sumusuporta sa kanya at parang nag-lift up sa kanya. So, yun yung parang mahalaga pagdating sa surprise.
Yeah, I agree with that. And syempre,
And then you combine that with something that the other person loves doing.
food, thing. Yeah. So, yun.
Showing them that, maayos kayo nagko-communicate. Open pa rin kayo na pag-usapan ng mga bagay. You're open about aligning for things and you talk about each other's problems. Man, that's how you know that you trust each other kasi you share stuff that you share stuff that you would only share with that person also. And then you want to know like how they feel, yung feedback nila, kung ano yung advice nila. Para dun. Para makikita mo,